So far we have completed preliminary test. Under preliminary test we have seen action of heat, solubility, borax bead test, microcosmic bead test, flame test. So now we are going to talk about analysis of anion. The second part of the experiment, qualitative analysis, is anion analysis. For the sake of systematic analysis of anion, we classify anions into various types. Type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4. Type 1 evolve gas with the dilute acid. Type 1 anions evolve gas with dilute acid. Type 2 evolve gas with concentrated sulfuric acid. They evolve gas or they evolve some fumes with concentrated sulfuric acid. Type 3, these are identified by precipitation reactions. And type 4 are identified by redox reaction. Here we have examples. S2 minus, SO3 2 minus, CH3CO minus, etc. And here we have chloride, bromide, iodide, nitrate, etc. Whereas nitrite comes here, NO2 minus. Here for precipitation reaction we have sulfate, phosphate, etc. And here we have chromate, permanganate, etc. These are identified by redox reactions. So we have classified anions into 4 categories for the sake of convenience, for the sake of systematic identification. Type 1 includes those anions which evolve gas, their salts evolve gas with dilute acid, dilute sulfuric acid you can use, or dilute HCl also can be used. Sulfide, sulfite, acetate, nitrite, these are examples. While sulfide produces H2S gas, sulfite produces SO2 gas. This produces fumes of acetic acid which have a smell of vinegar. This will produce NO2 gas, and here they produce gas or fumes with concentrated sulfuric acid. Cl minus produces HCl, bromide and iodide produce corresponding halogen, nitrate produces NO2 gas. These are identified by precipitation reactions, and these are identified by some redox changes where color of the species changes. These are colored due to ligand to metal charge transfer phenomena, and in their reactions they undergo some changes in the color, and that will be an indication of their presence. We'll discuss these anions one by one now. Now let's start with type 1 anions. What are the examples? Acetate, nitrite, sulfide, sulfite. these are type 1 anions. If the salt is treated with sulfuric acid, we will have to take dilute sulfuric acid, some gas is evolved. Now, let us look at the tabular form. Gas evolved, tested with inference. We can add carbonate also here. If the gas evolved is carbon dioxide, it is tested with lime water. Lime water turns milky, you know that, and inference is carbonate. If the gas evolved is SO2, this is also tested with lime water and acidified dichromate. It turns acidified dichromate green, carbon dioxide cannot turn. Both will turn lime water milky, but then SO2 changes acidified dichromate from orange to green, but this cannot be done by carbon dioxide. That is the difference. Now, you get SO3 2 minus. Number 3, acetic acid, vinegar smell. The salt is acetate salt. Number 4, H2S, rotten egg smell. Of course, there are other methods of testing H2S, and the salt is a sulfide salt. Number 5, NO2, it is a reddish brown gas. And the salt must be NO2 minus. Here we will be talking in detail about these two, sulfite and sulfide. We will discuss various reactions and various methods of testing sulfite and sulfide. These are there in the syllabus.